Hi, I'm Mushfiq. I'm from Mattakulia. I'm 21 years old. I studied at Zahira College, Colombo. I did commerce in my A-levels. So why did I choose this field is because from small age, I dreamt about starting a garment business. So the way I looked at my father, because he was related to textile industries, and that made me to choose this field. So first I got to know about BCCs by researching in Google, and for further information clarification, I just visited BCC and got to know the information. Why I choose BCCs for the number of years the employees they provided factories are in a large number, so they only not improve the education skill of a student, they also try to improve the technical and the mental skill of the student. When I was coming here, I was just blank head. I just wanted to improve my knowledge in the apparel industry so that the teaching which is provided in BCC is so good and understandable, and the staff here is also very supportive. So like I said before, I just have only one future plan: to start my own apparel outlets all around the country with my own production and designs, and to be a special person in the industry. If someone is willing to pursue higher studies in BCC, I just wanted to say one thing, that BCC is the correct place to get the knowledge about the apparel industry, no matter where you stand now. So the requirement that BCC provides to you to be a good man in the future is remarkable.